How do I place the order? How do I come for the consultation? How it works? Are you available in my city? So we usually get a lot of these questions. So in this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So stay tuned. So to begin with, basically our city, our head office is in Mumbai. So we have a salon in Mumbai that's in Khar West. Now basically for people who stay in Mumbai or probably areas close to Mumbai like Pune and Nasik, so these people can definitely come down to Mumbai in our Khar West center and they can probably come for the consultation. Now, if at all you plan to come for the consultation, what we suggest is filling up the consultation form. You can probably WhatsApp on 9222666111 or there is a link given below. You can just click on that button and there will be a form like how you can see in the screen. Now in this form, basically we want basic details like your name, number, your city. We would want you to upload a few pictures as well so that we understand the texture, the volume, the hair loss area. Now this gives us a little idea as far as your hair loss area is concerned and your needs, your expectations. So once we get all these details, then we arrange a call back from our executives to take the conversation further. So once we have basic information, our executives will be calling you and discussing with you. Now step 2, you can call up one of our executives and book a consultation appointment in Mumbai and then probably you can consult in person. Now people who are not from Mumbai, usually we do visit quite a few cities in India like most of the metros once a month. So what you guys can do is probably call up our executives and fix up an appointment and find out that when are we available in your city. Of course, because of COVID, we've kind of slowed down our travel plans. If at all we do not visit your city, you can still place the order. What you can do is you can fill up the consultation form like I said earlier. Once we get that information, we will arrange a call back from our executive and they will ask you that if you would want to go for a proper video consultation. Now in a video consultation, there's a proper consultation wherein we discuss in detail that what are your expectations, what is the hairstyle that you want. We would ask you for some old pictures as well. What is the density that you want, your textures, your expectations. A lot of questions. This is in detail video consultation. Once we're done with the consultation, there will be a video sent to you in which they explain how the measurements should be taken. So once you send us the measurements and you send us the pictures, it becomes easier for us to understand. So what we do is once we get the measurements, we design the hair system and then send it across to your city. Now two options, if it's a stick-on one that you have ordered, then probably you will have to look for somebody in your local city who can fix it. If you've ordered a clip-on one, then obviously you don't need anybody. You can just clip it on and you don't need to go to a service center. So that's about it. So there's a link below. You can click on the link and this will take you to the consultation form. We request you to fill up the consultation form. So when our executives call, they have some basic idea and ask you if you would like to take things further. Thank you very much, and if you still have any questions, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.